All right, ladies and gentlemen, friends, this is Gaurav Kashyap. Welcome back to my session, Rockstar, which is about you. How do you create a rocking personality? How do you create a rockstar personality? What it takes to transform yourself in a rockstar? How do you get a rockstar status? How do you get the rockstar within? So, in my earlier video, I discussed a philosophy, a concept, which has four important elements, which I believe if you meticulously follow over the next 30 days, it can bring a great transformation. It can take you to the next level and transform you into a rocking level. And it can bring you great success in all aspects of your daily life. The concept is ageless. So let's get into the framework, understand the first aspect, which is I call a nut and bolt approach. Which nut and bolt is nothing but the building blocks, the baby steps that you are supposed to take as you commence this journey. The first step would be to do these self pep up talks, these self motivation talks. When you start telling yourself, I am on the way to achieve this big vision, I'm going to transform myself and take myself in a rocking level. And I'm going to be successful in this journey. The moment you start doing this self motivation talks, the awareness will get into you. You spread this awareness in all the daily aspects of your life. Whatever activity you're doing, you spread this awareness, but do it with 100% focus and dedication, because that will bring in the quality and the difference. Imagine when you start getting aware of your whatever activity you're doing, and you're doing with 100% focus, it will create a huge difference. You're making a nice dinner with the family, you're giving water in the garden, you're spending time with the family. Imagine if you start doing that with 100% focus, dedication, full awareness. You can get great food, delicious food. The quality time that you spend with family could be great. Imagine what difference can it make in your daily life. So guys, start working on it. Bring in awareness into everything that you are doing. Be there in the moment. Don't be distracted. Spending time with the family and you're simultaneously on the phone doesn't help. Start bringing the quality into every aspect of life, and the transformation journey starts. Number two, practice. Keep practicing. More and more you practice, you become excel in that. Moment to excel, what happens? It will turn into an output. Output turned into a yield, which can be monetary or non-monetary. Let's say you're learning a new skill. With practice, you become perfect. Once you become perfect, it can give you a yield which can be monetary or a non-monetary benefit. It can bring a monetary benefit, it can lead to additional income, or a non-monetary benefit can help you to improve a existing process. Maybe learn new technology or a new skill, which is very important today. Everybody needs reskilling, time of technology. And next step would be that when you start working on this concept, your idea should be to take it to the next level where you can start making a difference, as these big leaders say. Start making a difference to the society, to bring that difference into your sphere of influence. Coming back to the new skill, let's say you're learning a new skill with the idea that in future it will give me a monetary benefit, additional income. Yes, that may be a selfish motive for you to enable you to lead a fulfilling life in the future and continue the wealth creation. But you take this to the next level where you are able to bring in that difference to the society. For instance, there's a chemical engineer who spent 20 years, he excelled himself by spending 20 years doing the same thing again and again. He'll become an expert. Once he becomes an expert, his idea should be to take this expertise to the next level, start making a difference. Supposing he starts making a difference by adding in safety processes for workers in a chemical plant, introducing new practices which will enhance employee health and safety, he starts to make a difference. So the idea should be to take this to the next level. You start working on this personality with 100% awareness and focus. Start the practice. It will give you an output and a yield. Bring that output and the yield, take it to the next level and start making a difference. within your personality will start making a difference to your sphere of influence. Third number, create a positive ecosystem. Very important. Create a positive ecosystem. Apart from these self-motivation talks, you also need a positive ecosystem. Stay away from negativity. You need great guys around who will pep you up, saying that yes, you are on the way to achieve this big vision. Please make this effort, because somewhere down the line you might feel that yes, I'm making all the effort, and is it worth it? Will I be able to achieve? And then you need this positive ecosystem, the pep up talks, which will tell you that hey, go ahead and you will achieve it. So you need a nice positive ecosystem. Fourth, you have to start working on your habits. You need to work on your habits. You know what your shortcomings are. You're getting late. You're getting up late. You are getting late to the office, late for the meeting, and not well prepared for the meetings. You're not exercising. You're not reskilling yourself. You're not spending quality time with your family. You know all your habits. You need to work on it. Work on your habits. Get up early. Go to the office on time. Be well prepared for the meetings. Do exercise. Be a fitness. Tell yourself that I'm become fitness freak. Keep working on your fitness. It should be only exercise, exercise, exercise. When you keep working on the fitness, a good fit body can lead to a fit mind. So guys, start working on this. Start working on your habits and see how you can transform your efforts. Start making efforts, conscious efforts at your end to work on your habits. Very important, start reading good books. Deal should be very simple. One book every month, simple. 12 books in a year. That books can be about anything. Could be about great authors, can be about relationship, can be about corporate finance, could be valuations, could be technology, could be about anything what you want to learn. But start reading books, and this will broaden your horizon and bring in different aspects. You'll understand different aspects of daily life. And imagine you're reading a book of a great author. It's about conversing with him. One idea of the great author can be transformational. It can bring a great change in your daily life. A minor brilliance, even if it touches you, can be transformational. So please start working on it. Ensure that nothing is loop-sided. Are you talking about wealth? Are you talking about careers? It should not be loop-sided. There are so many other aspects of your life which you need to cover, isn't it? It's also about power. It's also about recognition, reskills. It's also about CSR. It's also about family time. There's so many things, there are different aspects which has to be focused. It can't be loop-sided. Life cannot be loop-sided. Think about that there are 4 important elements where you have to consistently add value. So you got career, you got family, you got friends, and you got others. Others can be society. So others can be society. Let's say you're a member of RWA. You're a member of a resident association. It can be society at large. You could be a member of a professional body or industry association. That is others. You have to think that you have to add value into all these aspects, whether with friends or your spheres of influence, whether with family, whether with career, and whether with this others. Very important, start using impeccable words from now on. Very important. Your words have to be kind. It has to be with the idea to heal, give respect, not to demean. I'll repeat, your idea should be to heal and not demean. The words have to be kind and with respect. One bad word can just imagine what difference can it make, and it can lead to a great loss. One bad word for the boss, and imagine what can happen. Your boss will eventually give a good referral to your prospective employers. So gentlemen, start working on it. Start working on each and every aspect, what I've explained to you in the nut and bolt philosophy, and I feel it can make a strong difference in your daily life. If you do this meticulously, your journey is going to be exceptional and you will be able to transform yourself in the next 30 days. So thank you so much. I hope you had a happy learning. May God richly bless you with all the intellect, wisdom, and importantly, vitality and immunity. Thank you so much.